Crossway Industry.
Hello, everyone. I am Devin from Guangzhou Crossway Industry Company. Now we are talking how to choose a large format inkjet printer. Wide format printers, large format printers, are generally accepted to be any computer-controlled printing machines, printers, that support a maximum print roll width of between 18 and 100. Printers with capacities over 100 wide are considered super wide or grand format. Wide format printers are used to print banners, posters, trade show graphics, wallpaper, murals, backlit film, Duratrans, vehicle image wraps, sublimation paper. It is printer speed, print head different, so speed different. Head amount different, so speed different. Cast different, so print speed different. Buyer need to think above 3 reasons to choose what printer will be suitable for you buying. Crossway Industry large format printer can be optional to choose different amount head, like DX5 head, DX7 head, DX12 head, DX10 head, with warranty for the print head to any buyers. We will be your good choose. Printer brand. Good brand printer have good quality. Good brand printer have good sales service. Good brand printer keep you long time works. Above 3 of brand reason is also a good reason to any buyer think before make buying. No matter whether our real factory, but seller has good brand in the market, so products will be good quality and good after sales service. Crossway Industry will be your good choose. Print head is main technology for the printer. DX5 head with the printer, DX7 head with the printer, DX10 head with the printer, DX12 XP600 head with the printer. Crossway Industry large format printer can use any type Epson print head. And printer are same, only different are the print head price. We are also offer 1-year warranty for these head. Large format inkjet printer applications. Eco Solvent for outdoor signs. Sublimation for fabric, cloth, t-shirt. For special films and wallpaper. Large format inkjet printer are widely marketed for many printing jobs. Most versatile, reliable, and technologically advanced. Large format printers to choose from. Contact us if any more details you need to know.